How to fix Animal Shelter 2 keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to type the following command, which is -dx11, like this. Now you want to go to the installed files, so it should look similar to this one here, installed files, and then click on verify the integrity of game files. Now wait for this process to be finished, as it might take a while. And once it's done, click on the browse button and then find the game's exe file. Click on the properties and then go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close Steam and open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's basically NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. Now once you finish installing it, you should restart your computer. And once you restart, before opening up the game again, you should launch Steam as administrator. Right click on Steam and click on run as admin, and then simply just launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.